Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be talking about iPhone 15 Pro camera settings that you should change. So right now, as you can see, I am on my home page of my iPhone, and from there you need to head over to settings and scroll all the way to the bottom. Not actually all the way, but scroll a little bit down and you will be able to see that we have our camera in here. So here you need to change a few settings to optimize your camera. So right now it is set to record video at 1080 630, but you need to change it to 4K 30, and once you do, you will have by default 4K video being shooted. So if you're using an iPhone 15, obviously you're going to be utilizing that 4K. And also scroll a little bit down and you can see we have this option enabled called enhanced stabilization. Make sure that it is turned on, and HDR video is turned on as well. So now we need to head back, and here you have this option of view outside frame. Make sure that it is turned on, and as well if you scroll a little bit down more, you need to make sure that photographic styles, it is set to vibrant, because this looks really nice and shiny. So make sure that it is also telling us that tone is +50 and the warmth is 0. So we're going to be using vibrant. Now you can see in the formats, make sure that it is set to high efficiency, and head back, and below you can see the record with stereo sound is turned on, and scan QR codes and show detected text. So you can easily copy text from images. That could be really helpful. So you can see below we have our prioritize fast reshooting is turned on, lens correction, and macro control. So you can control macro so it do not turns on by itself. So these are some settings that you need to change in your iPhone, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to share it with your friends, and thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.